So guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP USD. So first thing first, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share. Make sure you make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's take a look at what GBPUSD is going to be doing for us for the day. Remember guys, before you take a trade, you need to know what the trend is. First know your trend, then you can now go ahead to trade with the trend. What can we see our trend is on GBPUSD? This is very clear and it is very simple. GBPUSD is in a ranging market. We are ranging on GBPUSD. So guys, take a look at this movement. Market rallied up to tap this resistance, right? Once it got to the resistance level, it rejected and dropped to tap our support. Market dropped to the support, rejected from the support and came back to tap the resistance, right? Market eventually got to the resistance, rejected and dropped to tap our support. Market eventually is now rejecting from the resistance, the support, and it came back to tap our resistance. Now it is now rejected from the resistance and it drops to tap our support level, right? Market now eventually rejected from this our support level and it is now rallying up and it has now tapped our resistance. So with these movements, right, we should expect market to also reject from this resistance and drop to tap our support level. So guys, in the long run, what you should be aiming for on a GBPUSD is a sell. You should be aiming for a bearish move. You should expect GBPUSD to sell and drop to tap our support level. So guys, if you are not yet in a sell on your GBPUSD, look to go in for the sell as we will be anticipating for more movement to the downside on GBPUSD. Expect that sell it is able to drop to tap our support level. Now let's go down to the forward time frame and let's zoom it in. Guess what market has done right here? Market has done something like a coach. You all know what a coach means. It means a reversal movement, which can also be seen as a double top, which also indicates a reversal movement. So what you should be expecting on your GBPUSD is just a pullback and then one more drop that should form to take out the low. And that market will continue that movement, pullback and another low, then another pullback. So markets will continue that movement. Above all, a bearish move is what you should be expecting on GBPUSD. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and also follow the Telegram to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.